y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hey girl, go ahead and make yourself comfortable because you're family now. On this channel we talk about all things beauty related. There's hair, makeup, and sometimes I might throw in a little vlog or two. Excuse my background, y'all, if y'all hear any rumbling and tumbling and it sounded like they, you know, pushing tables and throwing bodies. It's my roof. They're repairing the roof, so it might be loud, but I didn't want to not record this video because of them. So yeah, so today I'm gonna show y'all how I got this quick, effortless, everyday type of makeup, and I'm very thorough with it. Even though I'm not talking, I'm gonna be talking over, so you guys don't have to hear this in the background. If you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, then continue to watch. Starting out, I'm going to be using Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer all over, except for my T-zone. I like to leave that pretty much empty because I like to go in with my MAC Pore Refiner Stick, as you can see here, and I apply it just in my T-zone just so that it can control the oil. And then I like to be a little glowy, so I'm going to go in with JLo Beauty Complexion Booster, and this is in the color Rich Bronze. Again, I'm using MAC 170 foundation brush, but I'm just using it to blend out this product from JLo. And I'm applying this all over my forehead, anywhere where I want the glow to be. So usually it's on the outside of the perimeter of my face. And then I'm going to go in with NARS Light Reflecting Foundation, and this is in the color Macao. I'm just applying it usually on the outsides of my face and blend out everything using that MAC 170 brush. Next, I'm going to be going up with my favorite Fashion Fair foundation stick, and I love to use it as a bronzer. I'm using Whimsy Walnut. Then I'm going to go underneath my eyes to help with my darkness, and this is Hourglass Vanish Airbrush Concealer in the color Teak. I also apply it on my eyelids because I'm not going to be doing any eyeshadow today. I'm going to fill in my brows just a little bit. Right now I'm using Anastasia Dip Down, but sometimes I like to just use a eyeshadow powder, so it really just depends on how I feel. Now I'm just going to start blending out that concealer that I applied on my eyelid, and I'm going up and around, and then I also blend out the concealer underneath my eye. As well as I'm going to blend out everywhere I put that concealer. I'm going to blend out. If I don't have a brush or an item up, then that means that is not sold anymore. A lot of my brushes have been with me for a very long time, so sorry guys. Now I'm just going to blend out the bronzer with a different brush just to avoid from mixing everything right now. You don't really want to mix it yet without blending it out first, so blend it out with a separate brush. And I'm just doing anywhere I did the darkness with this brush. This is a Morphe, I don't know what type of brush. I know it's a Morphe brush. If I could see on the thing, if I could make it out, then I will put it in the description bar. But it's very important that you blend out underneath your neck and you blend out your forehead, especially if you have baby hairs. And now I'm just going to apply that foundation stick right in my socket of my eye crease, and I'm just going to blend that out. Every time I do this, I have to make this face. But I'm just sweeping the Chanel loose powder along my eyelid, underneath my eye, wherever I had that light concealer. And then I'm just going in with my bronzer shade, which is the Fenty Coco Naughty. This part is optional. I only do this sometimes, honestly, not all the time. So do it at your own discretion. Now I'm just going to take that bronzer color and sweep and pack it across my eyelid. And now we're going to create some liner. A little mascara. Now it's safe to add your favorite lashes. I'm going to be using these Sachet Sorella lashes. This is a new brand. I never heard of them, but I found them in Amy's while I was in California, and I love these lashes. Now I'm just going to place Coco Naughty in all of the areas where I placed the Fashion Fair earlier. Don't forget, no matter what, we always have to make sure we blend underneath our neck, because that's the clear sign of demarcation whenever you don't blend that out in that area. So be sure to do it, sis. And that's including my nose area. Now we're going to place the same mascara from earlier on the bottom lower lash line. This is totally optional if that's what you like, but I like to put a little something down there to complete the look. I always love using setting spray in the midst of everything, just to bring back that skin-like finish. Now I'm applying my favorite blush. It's Sweet as Cocoa by MAC Cosmetics. They don't sell this one anymore, but if I do find a dupe, I will put y'all on. I absolutely love this blush. Y'all see the difference it's making on my face, and I love packing it on because, you know, blush is always the first to leave the face for makeup, so I love applying a whole bunch of blush. Lip liner is definitely optional, but definitely recommended, especially if you want a nude lip and you are a woman of color. You absolutely positively need a lip liner. You also need a lip liner even if you aren't a woman of color, just so that you have structure and it looks neat and clean, and you can overline your lips if you want them to look fuller. That way you're spending little money with no pain. It's a win-win. Oh my god, y'all, this is my stuff. This is Mary's Beauty Shade Slick. What I love about it the most is the color. The color I have is in taupe, and paired with this darker lip liner just makes it pop even more. It's pretty alone though, and I love that it's infused with rosehip oil and shea butter, so it's super good for your lips. If interested, you can cop this at a discounted rate by clicking the link in my description bar. Oh my god, y'all, they are still going at it up there. It sounds like they doing a little tussle or something is going on. Okay, so y'all, this is the finished look. If you enjoy videos like this, well, not with the people in my background, but if you enjoy makeup tutorial videos, easy how-to videos, then hit the like button. That lets me know that you like these type of videos. And until next time, deuces.